Silas. Tangelo van der Zuuthoeve combined with Performance Family. The Grand Prix stallion Tangelo van der Zuuthoeve proved his great value as the sire of outstanding top-level performers like Tobago Z, Bintang II, Victoria and Darilu. His son Silas carries the performance genes of the international sport and breeding stallion Harley VDL in the second generation and represents an all-round family from which international 150 and 160 level show jumpers like Q's Charm, Abrook, Milanza, Atlanta 541 and Sefana also originate. Grand Dame Alexa is a full sister of the 150 level jumping horse Felix and already produced well-tested mares.